Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best KitchenAid mixer for cookies. Watch until the end to see our recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Are you looking for the best KitchenAid mixer that you can use to make your cookies? If so, you should pay attention to this KitchenAid mixer. It has a 325-watt motor. It can handle a large batch of cookie dough. Its stainless steel bowl capacity is 5 quarts, and it has a speed setting of up to 10, with its weight being 23 pounds. You can also choose from more than 20 colors that are available. And the color that pleases you the most and complements your kitchen will be the best look for you. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer is a good choice if you have limited kitchen counter space. It has a height of 2.3 inches and a weight of 17.1 pounds. It has a 3.5-quart stainless bowl, making it ideal for handling up to 5 dozen cookies. Its motor wattage is 275, helping it tackle your cookie doughs without strain. When it comes to mixing your cookie dough to be thick, this stand mixer will provide a speed of up to 10. KitchenAid Pro Line Series 7-quart Lift Stand Mixer. This mixer is designed for heavy-duty baking of cookies, with a motor wattage of 970, making it the strongest motor offered by KitchenAid. It has a 7-quart bowl capacity and can handle 168 cookies in one go. Like the two KitchenAid mixers we've mentioned, this one offers a speed of up to 10 and essential attachments. KitchenAid Classic Plus Series 4.5-quart Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Classic Plus Series 4.5-quart stand mixer has a 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl and 10 speeds to choose from. It has a motor wattage of 275 that will allow you to choose the correct speed for your specific cookie recipe. Its weight of 22 pounds makes it easy to lift from your kitchen counter and move to a better cooking place. Which is the best? The KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer is the best mixer for cookies because of its power to handle both large and small cookie dough without being too bulky. Its availability in more than 20 different colors can satisfy different kitchen aesthetics as well, and it encourages one to make cookies with love. Thanks for watching.